Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video about this, part one, and if you didn't watch it, it's about a font called Ornament Labels and Font Frames from DA Fonts. But I stated in that video, if you make this a rectangle, it messes it up. So this would be fine for a perfect square, but if you tried to stretch it, let me get rid of this. If you tried to stretch it, it's going to look funny. These parts get wider than those parts. So the way to do that, I've got the good example of it right here. This thing is 22 inches big, long. We are going to make a duplicate of it, but I'm going to set my nudge factor on 30. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to nudge it down to 30, and then I'm going to mirror it. Then I'm going to take this one, I'm going to make a copy of it. And these are 22 inches apart, so I'm going to change my nudge factor back to 30 or 22. I'm going to make a duplicate of that and then mirror that one. Now I'm going to go ahead and group these, Control G. I'm going to take these and Control G to group them together. So these two need to be longer, but I'm going to go ahead and rotate them 90 degrees. And then I'm going to make them with the ratio unlocked, is the important part. Make it that 30 inches. Then hit P. Then this is a group and hit P. Then all you have to do is take and weld it. And by doing that, it's all sealed up and it looks pretty good. I'm not going to go in and do these little other parts that I did in the first video. And that looks pretty well proportionate, because with the ratio lock, it just stretched them out a little bit without making them thicker. If we had our ratio locked, it would make it quite a bit thicker and it would kind of look a little funny. But you can very minute tell the difference. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.